right? We threw in some oil.
Oh, yes, yes, yes. I follow you. I follow you.
And you can't see what's on the cutting board right now, but basically we threw a few potatoes into the microwave.
Oh,
we have our little herbs growing by the window, right?
Oh, yeah, yeah. We got basil and rosemary and sage.
That's right. This is hot. So, here we go.
You want me to help?
No, I got it. All right, we got the potatoes that cooked in the microwave so they're soft. We got the herbs, we got everything. Let's throw it in the pan. All right.
Oh, that sounds so good, that sounds so good.
Okay, and then we're gonna just get our your friend, look at your old friend, the spatula.
Oh, we're gonna put in some salt and pepper?
Yeah, we're gonna put in some salt and pepper. You wanna help me?
Yeah, I'll hold it with my mouth.
Perfect. This is, you ready?
I'm so ready, Shoo.
Okay, now don't hurt your new tongue. Here we go. Oh my, okay.
Oh, that was so much fun. I love using my mouth.
Good. Here's some pepper. Oh yes, here's some pepper. Oh, there we go.
Oh, yes, I love the pepper.
Okay, let's see how this looks so far. Here, let's throw in some paprika, give it a little color.
Oh, I love the paprika.
Okay, and why don't we throw in a little bit of garlic powder, fast and easy, tasty cooking that's starting to smoke. Oh, let's throw in a little bit of, we got some butter going here.
Oh, I love the butter.
Okay, how you doing there?
I'm doing so good.
Okay, here we go. Get a little bit of butter on these potatoes. There we go. We go for flavor, the real deal.
Oh yeah, the real deal. Always the real deal.
Oh, you can only smell this. It's absolutely wonderful. And what else are we gonna throw in here? Let's throw in some.
Oh, throw in the Italian herb blend.
Oh yeah, you know what? With this Italian herb blend, I'll tell you something. You add a little bit of this to anything, and I'll tell you, even Chinese cooking, it'll add depth. When you throw in something that normally isn't supposed to be in there, but not too much, it adds depth, right, Sak?
Oh, we love the depth. Add to this next.
A little bit of soy sauce. Why not? You know, salt is salt, but when you add a little bit of soy sauce, you can add that to just about anything too.
Oh, I love it. I'm so hungry.
Okay, and I'll tell you also, you throw in at the very end a little bit of virgin olive oil. You got some pretty nifty tasting breakfast potatoes. Oh, I love it. A little bit of virgin olive oil. There we go. Hear that sizzle. Hear that food.
Oh, it smells so good. I can't stand it.
Okay. And now, piece de resistance. You want to just cover it, let it steam a little bit. Lazy man's way of covering it. Just add a little bit of water just to give, throw it in there. Get it all under the lid. Doesn't have to mash. And we're good.
Oh, great. Oh, shoot, lift the lid.
Okay, here we go. Oh, look at that. Isn't that yummy, yummy, yummy? Oh, so happy.
Oh, that looks so great, Shoo. Let's show them our herb plant.
Okay, hang on.
Oh, Shoo, look at how happy they are.
Oh, yeah. So we snagged a little bit of basil. And see, anybody can have fresh herbs.
Oh, Shoo, the plants are doing so well. Show them the other thing.
Okay, well, here we go. Would you believe this is my little tree? Yeah, the little Miss Money plant down there.
Oh, Miss Money plant is doing so well. Show them all the other flowers.
Okay, see how happy everybody is.
Oh, yeah, everyone is so happy. They're so happy here. They love listening to us talk.
Oh, yes. Okay, enough.
Oh, it looks so good. Oh, Elliot, you wouldn't believe how good this looks and how it smells. It's absolutely absolutely yummy. We're doing our thirst cooking down. Do we get the eggs now?
We're gonna get the egg. Throwing a little bit of butter. There we go. Throwing a little butter. Okay, here, I'm cracking the egg. You want me to do it? No, I got it. There we go. One big egg.
Oh, good, Shu, you did that so well.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're having fun. It's a typical average Saturday morning here at the apartment. Little bit of water. Oh, too much. There we go, covered up. Okay.
Shu, why don't you lift the lid and show everybody how nice the egg turned out?
Okay. Oh, look at that. Maybe a little bit longer, a little bit longer.
What are you doing now, Shu?
Well, you know, it's kind of cool here, so let's just heat up our plate. This is how I heat up a dish really fast. Can't serve hot food hot in a cold plate.
Are you gonna plate up the food, Shu?
You bet. Let's plate it up. Get some of these potatoes on here. Easy enough. Nice. Oh, yes. Nice. Got our little fresh herbs and our nice little kind of basted egg there. Oh, doesn't that look great?
Oh, it looks so easy way to have breakfast potatoes and eat it.
Okay, here we go. Just kind of go like that. So we don't need salt and pepper. We got enough salt and pepper. Okay. Well, let's try it. Are you ready?
Oh, I am so ready. You go first.
Okay. Going first. That's like really yummy.
I just imagine it. That's really, really good. Oh.
Get a little potatoes and a little bit of egg. It's really good. Oh, is it really good? Oh, it's really good. Okay, well, we'll say goodbye for now. We're gonna say goodbye for now. Take it easy, and we'll see you around till lunchtime.